Day 30. My husband has washed all his clothes, so I have one basket left. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to day 30 of my journey on the 31 baby steps of the Flylady system. Day 30, today and tomorrow, wraps up all 31 steps. I'm seeing some huge progress on decluttering, huge progress. The 5-minute room rescues are helping me see some tidying, but I am not cleaning yet. So when I went to read today's task, I got pretty excited. So let me read some information to you. Today we look at our calendar and she says, look and see next month who has birthdays. And then make sure you schedule to go buy birthday cards and make sure you have the cards ready to send for their birthdays for next month. Now, I actually have a huge, like a box of birthday cards. It's like a Hallmark birthday card box. So I'm usually pretty set. I don't run into that issue. I have a lot of cards just on hand. Personally, that's just how I like to do it. I don't want to wait. I don't want to have to go to the store, but her theory of doing it, so if you don't have a box of cards, basically she looks at like the 27th of each month. She looks at the next month coming up, makes a note of who has birthdays, goes on her errand day to purchase those cards. But that's not the real task of today. That's just kind of a part of it, because the real task is looking at the Flylady's basic weekly plan, which we started in our control journal when we did the 15 steps of building a control journal. And I have it right here. So this is just the weekly plan. So today I looked at hers. I went through it online. It talks about when to do the weekly home blessing, which as I read it, I was like, oh, awesome. We're doing the weekly home blessing. That's going to actually clean the house. No, we're not there yet. 30 days. We are doing laundry. We have a shiny sink. We're wearing shoes. I'm not a cheerleader, but they're on. We're wearing shoes. We're doing a load of laundry a day. We're making our bed. We're swishing and swiping the bathroom. We're tidying for 5 minutes, decluttering for 15, doing a hot spot. We're not cleaning. We haven't mopped the floors. We haven't vacuumed. We haven't dusted. We haven't done those tasks yet. And today I was like, okay, is this a part of it? We're learning to do it. So you actually, when you're looking at your weekly plan, you pick a day that you're gonna do your weekly home blessing. So I had to search. I had to go to several screens to find the weekly home blessing from this screen of the basic weekly plan, which I will link below. Again, not an easy to navigate site. I was getting a little frustrated and I'm on day 30. At this point, I would think I would have a grasp of all of these weekly tasks by now, but we don't. And again, I think it's because many of you have pointed out, this is a decluttering 31 days, not a cleaning 31 days. But my sense of it was that I would have a full grasp in 31 days of her entire system. And so far on day 30, unless some miracle happens between today and tomorrow's task, I'm not there. So basically today though, we're looking at this weekly plan and we're picking the day that we would do the weekly home blessing, 1 hour of cleaning. So you'd find that on there, but also looking at what you need to do each week. I've mentioned in a few videos, Wednesdays I know I clean out my fridge because Thursday is garbage day. So I clean it out so that the garbage can go out Wednesday night and be picked up Thursday morning. And then Sundays for us is a family fun day. That means I like to take the day off of not do anything. I do need to find a day, so I need to play with, for our family, a day that I do my grocery shopping and meal prepping, fine, and then the day to do my weekly home blessing that I haven't learned about, but it mentions it, so I went and looked for it. Anyway, that's what the weekky plan is. When I tried this the first day, I think it was the weekly plan that I went to for how do I do. Because I did a 1-week trial of Flylady versus Clean Mama. If you remember, I'll post that video. I went to this plan and it frustrated and confused me because it is so detailed and it's an example and it says right at the top, this is an example of the Flyladies, so you can be inspired to create your own. For me, it was overwhelming, and I'll be honest, day 30, I went back to it and it was overwhelming again. Put this on your shopping list so you can buy cards and gifts on your errand day. So again, it all started with these birthday cards. My frustrating day 30 started with birthday cards, which I already have a box of in my office. I know not everything pertains to me. Don't worry, that's not lost on me. I know not everything is about me. If you don't know what an errand day is, read the Flying Lesson About Routines to see Flylady's basic weekly plan and how to create your own. So maybe we weren't even supposed to create a weekly plan because it says you don't have to start doing it yet. Just begin thinking about it. Doing a lot of thinking, not a lot of doing. Day 30, I did think we would be cleaning. I know some of you are joining right along into my kind of snarky jokes about this, but I want to clean my house. And I've cheated several days. I've cheated because, well, I needed to. I've cheated because I had company coming. I want to clean my house. Anyway, I do usually like her quotes. They are cute. Flylady, you've caught me with those. A day for everything keeps us from living in chaos. Your basic weekly plan gives you time to fly and have fun. So again, we're just doing some thinking today. We're not doing action. But I don't want to peek. I don't want to peek at what the last day is. I want to be surprised. I want to be pleasantly surprised that she says, yes, go do it. Go clean the house. You're ready. But we haven't gotten there. So that makes me wonder, after the 31 days, what is next? Because her website is not a fun place to navigate. This, I will say, 31 days, it was easy to navigate through the 31 days. I knew exactly what I was doing that day. As many of you have pointed out, yes, I took it very literally because it made it more fun to do this interaction with my camera and you. But I want to clean my house. I'm back to my frustrated Allie. But let's keep going to the fact that I am decluttering like a mad woman, and my house is getting better and better each day in regards to clutter. I just want to clean. So that's where we're at today. I have worked out. I am dressed to shoes. I've showered. I've had my breakfast. I've enjoyed my coffee. I have rebooted the laundry. In fact, it looks like I have just a few pieces left that will go in with my laundry tomorrow. Overall, I am still enjoying this and I'm still here for it. But other than that, I got a lot of work to do today. I have a work heavy day. Tomorrow's the last day. I will be doing a after tour of where we end up. So one more day, you guys. I'm hoping we clean tomorrow because that will be a huge, it would just be a huge difference. So let's get to it.